Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best root stimulator is probably one of the most transformative products you can introduce to your gardening arsenal, offering a powerful boost to plant health and growth from the ground up, ensuring your seedlings establish quickly, cuttings root successfully, and mature plants develop robust, nutrient-absorbing systems that lead to more vibrant foliage, abundant blooms, and impressive yields, making it an essential tool for both novice gardeners and seasoned horticulturists aiming for exceptional results. Number 5. DYNOMYCO Mycorrhizal Fungi Inoculant. This premium inoculant contains 900 propagules per gram of mycorrhizae. It rapidly colonizes roots, unlocking nutrients and thickening feeder roots, setting the stage for bigger harvests. Its unique formula, including live spores and hyphae, amplifies nutrient uptake. This fuels lush foliage, sweeter fruit, and heavier buds, guaranteeing commercial results for hobby growers. Unique desert-adapted strains recharge plant nutrient pathways. They help crops resist pH swings, heat waves, drought, and transplant shock, keeping foliage vibrant all season. This granular formula integrates seamlessly with various setups, from seed starting to raised beds. It treats many plants per pouch without dust or mess, great for seedlings, houseplants, and trees. It is OMRI listed and ECO Cert approved, delivering beneficial mycorrhizal fungi without synthetic additives. Negligible heavy metals ensure it's safe for kids, pets, and pollinators. What we like. This product offers explosive root growth and acts as a powerful plant stress shield. It's OMRI listed, ensuring a clean and eco-rated solution for your garden. If you are looking for a biofertilizer that boosts yields and protects plants from environmental stressors while being environmentally friendly, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Houseplant Resource Center Root Rot Repair. Is your houseplant struggling with brown, mushy roots or yellowing leaves? These are classic signs of root rot, transplant shock, or overwatering stress. This formula targets the underlying damage, helping your plant recover quickly and rebuild stronger roots. Developed by horticultural experts, this science-backed formula is designed for struggling indoor and outdoor houseplants. It supports root healing after pruning, repotting, or overwatering, getting your beloved plants back on track fast. Powered by potassium phosphate, this highly effective formula provides targeted support for root damage. It improves nutrient movement and strengthens root tissue, boosting their resilience right at the source. Using it is incredibly easy. Just pour it directly into the soil during your normal watering routine. It's safe to use with every watering and fully compatible with your existing fertilizers and plant food. Proudly made in the USA, this solution is trusted by over 100,000 plant parents. It's designed by the Houseplant Resource Center team with care, sustainability, and real-world results in mind. What we like. This formula is specifically designed to rescue roots from rot, shock, and overwatering. Its science-backed composition helps plants recover quickly and rebuild stronger roots. If you have struggling houseplants showing signs of root rot or overwatering, this easy-to-use liquid solution is perfect for targeted recovery. What people say. Number 3. HYPERroots LHRL 1JL Plant Growth Stimulator. This root stimulator supports robust root systems. It ensures your plants have a solid foundation, leading to healthier growth and increased support against challenges. Utilizing its unique formulation, even greenhouse environments find optimized plant vitality. It augments growth rates, leading to healthier, more vibrant plants. Whether for trees or delicate seedlings, it adapts to the needs of each plant type. This liquid concentrate can help transform your agricultural efforts with bountiful results. Designed for root growth, this supplement ensures plants receive nourishment. It bolsters their natural growth processes in diverse settings. As a liquid stimulant, it streamlines your gardening tasks. It delivers maximum efficiency and effectiveness, benefiting all plants from indoor pots to outdoor fields. What we like. This concentrated liquid works wonders in nurturing robust root systems and maximizing overall plant health. It's a versatile growth solution, adapting to the needs of various plant types and environments. If you are looking for a comprehensive liquid stimulant to boost root vitality and ensure healthier growth across all your plants, from seedlings to trees, this product is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as no content was available. Number 2. Envelor GROTAB 3-in-1 Plant Food Tablets. These tablets enhance plant growth by improving soil fertility, root establishment, and nutrient uptake. You can conveniently use them for both indoor and outdoor plants. Simply dig a small hole, drop a tablet, and plant. Give your plants a natural boost to thrive and strengthen their resistance. This hassle-free 12-8-4 formula nourishes them, encouraging healthy root systems and stimulating faster, more robust growth for higher yields. Maximize your garden's potential with resilient plants and healthy soil. Each tablet contains beneficial microbials like mycorrhizal fungi to supercharge root growth and trichoderma to enhance nutrient absorption and soil structure. These are an all-purpose plant food, suitable for various plants. Use 1 tab for vegetables and small ornamentals, or 2 for larger trees and greenhouse plants. Each slow-release tablet feeds for up to 3 months. Envelor is a brand trusted by many happy customers globally. Your satisfaction is their top priority. Grow healthier plants in optimal conditions with these natural plant food tablets. What we like. These 3-in-1 plant food tablets offer incredible ease of use. Simply dig, drop, and plant. They combine fertilizer, root establishment, and nutrient uptake with beneficial microbials like mycorrhizal fungi. If you like a hassle-free gardening routine and want a slow-release solution that nourishes plants and enhances soil health with microbials, these tablets are a great fit. What people say. Stimulates rapid and robust root growth in various plant types. Formulated to improve nutrient absorption and overall plant vitality. Number 1. Crazy Keiki Cloning Paste by Southside Plants. Introducing Crazy Keiki Cloning Paste by Southside Plants. This unique paste helps create optimal conditions for new growth on your houseplants and healthy blooms on your orchids. Unlike traditional rooting products, it uses a unique blend of all-natural plant hormones, lanolin, and vitamins. This combination nourishes plant nodes and supports regeneration. Specifically designed for orchids, this nutrient-based paste supports dormant nodes. You may see tiny buds forming in just 3 to 4 weeks, encouraging natural development. It's also versatile for other plants, addressing leggy vines or bare stems. Apply a small amount to select nodes to support fuller, more balanced growth. With simple application, its water-resistant lanolin base ensures it stays in place. For best results, ensure your plant receives proper light, water, and nutrients. This paste comes in gift-ready packaging, making it a unique present for plant enthusiasts. It's also a fun, hands-on way to explore plant structure and care for homeschooling or classrooms. What we like. This unique cloning paste helps sprout new leaves on bare branches and encourages blooms on orchids. It uses natural cytokinin, hormones, and vitamins to support regeneration and fuller growth. If you are looking to propagate orchids, encourage new growth on leggy vines, or simply explore plant cloning, this versatile paste offers a fun and effective solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.